In this video, we'll talk about the 10 most harmful foods that can damage your heart, brain, gut, and overall health. If you remove these foods from your life, you can live longer, feel more energetic, and stay much healthier. So, let's begin with the top 5 most dangerous foods in the world. Number 1. Margarine. Once advertised as a healthy vegetable oil, margarine is anything but natural. It's actually made by adding hydrogen to vegetable oils, turning them into trans fats. One of the worst things for your body. Trans fats don't melt easily at body temperature. They clog your arteries, damage your heart, and increase the risk of cancer. In short, margarine is a chemical fat your body doesn't recognize. Real butter or olive oil is always a much healthier choice. Number 2. Processed meats, salami and sausages. They look like meat, but they're actually highly processed products. They contain nitrates, nitrites, preservatives, flavor enhancers, and other chemicals. Studies show that just 40 grams of processed meat a day can increase diabetes risk by over 40%. They're also linked to stomach cancer, heart disease, and childhood leukemia. So remember, these are not real meats, they're chemical imitations of meat. Number 3. Bouillon, stock cubes. Bouillons are often marketed as meat broth, but they have nothing to do with real meat. They're packed with monosodium glutamate, MSG, and artificial flavorings. MSG tricks your brain into thinking the food tastes better, but it can harm brain cells and cause dependence, especially in children. That rich, meaty flavor isn't real. It's a chemical illusion. If you want true flavor, make your broth at home and stay away from bouillon. Number 4. French fries and potato chips. Homemade baked potatoes can be healthy. But when potatoes are deep fried in oil, things change completely. High heat oxidizes the oil, which can clog arteries and damage cells. Chips are even worse, full of artificial flavors, colors, and additives. They're not snacks, they're chemical traps that harm both kids and adults. Number 5. Soda and soft drinks. One of the world's most popular drinks, and one of the most harmful. Sodas are loaded with sugar or artificial sweeteners, both of which can lead to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Research shows that drinking just 1 can of soda a day can quadruple the risk of death from a heart attack. It's not just about sugar. Caffeine, acidity, and additives make these drinks even worse. So, these are 5 of the most dangerous foods that silently destroy our health. When you cut them out of your diet, you'll notice more energy, better focus, and a stronger body. In the next video, we'll reveal the remaining 5 foods on this list. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, longer, and happier life.